Hey everybody, we're in Orlando today for the second drive of the year. The chapter has been growing really fast and at the right speed. We're getting incredible people here. So last weekend we had an anniversary in San Diego. We raised money for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. So today we're gonna do a drive. As you can see, we have the police escort and we're gonna have a really cool lunch at the Fairmont. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment the video, and you're gonna see what's happening today. Thank you.
And I'm here today to have a great time with all these super people, as we keep saying, super cars and super people. We're excited for the rally, and we have a police escort, which is always my favorite, because it gets to go through red lines and safe, and all these beautiful cars and beautiful people. We're excited for today.
Hey guys, my name is Bati. I drive 2023 R8. It's tuned by us, West Tuned. And this is my first fast lane. I'm very excited. Can't wait to drive with the other guys.
First event in the fast lane drive, and we're here to just have fun.
The lineup for the Orlando opening is just absolutely incredible. It's our first drive, but look at that. Already 20 cars having fun together, creating connection, chit-chatting. So we love fast lane.
It's amazing, man. Great. First event so far, can't complain.
Oh my God, that's how we do it in Florida. We break the rules legally. We have 2 more days of ski. We came from the San Diego chapter. We have 2 more days of ski and meeting new friends in this fantastic Florida weather. Looking forward to the launch today.
It was awesome, man. Not very often you get to shut down a bridge.
My best Tyrese impression. Nah, man, this is cool. Like it's really awesome.
The drive was just amazing. Shutting down a bridge. It was just amazing cars and amazing people. Top notch.
Yeah, totally top notch. I held on a couple times, held my hat on, but yeah, that was pretty special. Especially watching him just like a kid in a candy store.
It was fun.
Amazing experience being able to go on a bridge, have it shut down, take pictures with new friends, and looking forward to continuing having a wonderful time with Fastlane Drive.
It's been an amazing experience. The rally was absolutely incredible. Here we are at the Four Seasons with some incredible people. It's just been more than I can imagine.
All right, Fastlane Drive. We just got done with the rally. We're at the Four Seasons. We're about to have lunch. Great event. Thank you.